The kitchen is no longer just a place to cook. It has become the heart of every home. In 2025, kitchen designs and kitchen color ideas are all about creating a balance between style, comfort, and functionality. If you're planning a makeover, these fresh ideas will inspire you to transform your space into something truly special. Modern kitchens are embracing open layouts with smart storage, sleek cabinets, and built-in appliances that keep everything organized and clutter-free. Minimalist designs with clean lines are trending, while natural textures like wood and stone bring warmth and elegance. Adding an island or breakfast bar is also a popular choice, creating a social hub for both cooking and gathering. When it comes to kitchen colors, 2025 is all about cool and calming tones. Shades like soft sage green, powder blue, and warm beige are making kitchens feel fresh and inviting. For a bold statement, deep navy, charcoal gray, or even matte black cabinets paired with gold accents create a luxurious touch. Neutral white kitchens remain timeless, but this year, they're often paired with pops of color through backsplashes or accent walls. The key is to choose a design and color scheme that reflects your lifestyle, whether it's modern elegance, rustic charm, or cozy minimalism. With the right blend of kitchen design and color ideas, you can create a space that feels not only functional, but also stylish and inspiring every single day.